Hello everyone, welcome to Rohit Sir Online Classes. In this video, we will do question number 21 to 30 of Chapter 4, Class 2 IMO Workbook. And we are doing topic time and money. Ranjana starts doing her homework at 4:10. She starts doing her homework at 4:10. She works for 2 hours and 5 minutes. 2 hours and 5 minutes to complete it. At what time does she finish her work? So she starts doing her homework at 4:10 and she does it for 2 hours. 4:10 to 2 hours. So 4:10 to 5:10, 1 hour, and she does it 2 hours. Say 5:10 to 6:10. So 2 hours completed. And after that, 5 minutes more. So it will be 6:15. 6:15. The answer is option D, 6:15 p.m. Jatin has the given amount of money. This much money. Which of the following options is not correct with respect to the amount of money just Jatin has? Which means that first you calculate the amount what he has. So start from the bigger ones. It will be easy. 50 plus 50, 100. 120. Then another 20 rupee note, 140, 150, and 151. So he has 151. Now we have to find not correct option. So we have to find in which option the total is not 151. Let's see. 151 is correct. 50 plus 50 plus 20. 50 plus 50, 100. 20, 120, 130, 140, 141. It is not matching. So option number B is the correct answer. You can check out other options as well, but I got my answer here 100, 141. And he has 151. So it is not correct. Option number B is the correct answer. Next one. A train started at 6:20 a.m. It reached its destination at 11:30 a.m. AM, you have to see this also properly. AM is written. Good. How long did the train traveled to complete its journey? So starting from 6:20 a.m., if let's say if we start at 6:20, 6:20 to 7:20, it is 1 hour journey, right? Then 7:20 to 8:20, 2 hours. 8:20 to 9:20, 3 hours. 9:20 to 10:20, 4 hours. 10:20 to 11:20, 5 hours. So basically 5 hours, and then we need till 30. So 11:20 to 11:30 means 10 more minutes, right? 5 hours and 10 minutes is our correct answer. It took 5 hours and 10 minutes. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 24. Anand has rupees 875. He purchased the following items. How much money is left with him after purchasing these items? So 875 rupees he was having, right? And he went shopping. He bought a bag of rupees 535 and one lunchbox for 130 rupees. And we have to find out what is remaining. So 535 plus 180 is the amount he has spent. 5, 11, 7. Okay, so we have to first add these two, the cost of these two items, and whatever answer we get, like 715, we got, right? Just a minute. There is a correction. Actually, it's not 80, it's 130, right? Yes, yes. I'll make the corrections here. 130. Okay. Yeah. 5 plus 0 is 5, and 3 plus 3 is 6, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So total 665 is the total amount which he spent on a bag and a tiffin box. Now we need to find out left amount means subtraction. So 875, which is the total amount, we will subtract 665 from this. So let's start. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. So total 210. Answer is option C, 210. Next, Sahil takes 30 minutes to complete one round of a park. This is a park. And Sahil starts from here. So he goes this way, this way, this way, and this way. So around, he can complete one round of a par, one round of the par in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So if he goes another round, means he takes one more round, then how much time it will take? How long will he take to complete two rounds? So 30 minutes and 30 more minutes, right? Total, yes, 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Okay, so let's see the options. Don't only click on 60 minutes, though it is correct, but check other options as well. So 1 hour, is it correct? Yes. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So both A and B are correct. So don't click on A or B in the OMR sheet and circle the option D, which is both A and B. This type of confusing questions you can have in the question paper. So be very wise while selecting the correct option. Option number D is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question, which is the office timing for Amit, Advik, Shivam is 8:30 a.m., right? 8:30 is the time when they should reach the office. Amit reaches the office at 8:45 a.m. Karan reaches at Karan reaches at 8:40 a.m. Advik reaches at 8:50 a.m. Shivam reaches at 8:39 a.m. Right? So who reaches the office earliest means out of them all, who is reaching earliest? Nobody is reaching on time, right? Everybody is reaching late. So who is reaching out among them all also? Who is reaching early and who reaches last? So we need to find out who is reaching early as well as who is reaching last. Earliest and last. Let's find out earliest means who reached first and who reached last. So 8:30 is the time of reaching, but Amit is reaching at 8:45, Karan at 8:40, Advik at 8:50, Shivam at 8:39 means he Shivam is reaching the earliest. And the last, who is reaching the last here? So 8:30 is the time, 8:45, 8:40, 8:50. Advik is reaching last. He's a very lazy boy, I think. All right. So Shivam reaching early, Advik reaching late. So A is the correct option. Going forward, we have question number 27. Chintu has rupees 10. How much? 10. Her father gave rupees 20 more as pocket money. So now Chintu was having 10 rupees. Now, after his after her father gave 20 more, total he has 20 plus 10, 30, right? 30 rupees. Which of the following items he cannot buy from the money he has? 20 plus 10, he can buy this. 15 plus 15, he can buy this. We have to find which he cannot buy. 22 plus 8, 30, he can buy. Can he buy 12 plus 19? 12 plus 19. What is 12 plus 19? Yes, it's 31, but I'll do it once like this also. 2 plus 9, 11. It's 31. Can he buy anything of 31 rupees if he is not having? He has only 30 rupees. He cannot buy option D, which is the correct option. Moving on to the next question, which we have is question number 28. And question number 28 says, Shivani buys one costliest items and one cheapest item from the following items. If she gave a 50 rupees note to the seller, then how much money will she get back from the seller? Costliest means the expensive item, which is of more amount here. Let's see which is most costly. Necklace, right? Necklace is of 20 rupees, which is most costly. Okay, now see the least costliest thing means which is like cheapest among all is a bracelet, is of 10 rupees only, right? So now we have a costliest one, necklace for rupees 20, and we have a bracelet for rupees 10. We have to find out if she has 50 rupees, how much amount will she get back from the shopkeeper? Out of 50 rupees, let's see how much amount she spent. 20 plus 10, what is the amount? 30. She has spent 30 rupees already. So how much she can expect back? Rupees 20. Option number B. The correct answer is option number B. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 29. Ananya starts her yoga classes from second Friday of August 20XX. Second Friday. If every Sunday is a holiday, every Sunday is a holiday, don't consider it as a holiday. And she goes regularly for 12 days. Okay, so only 12 days she has gone. Her class will finish on. Okay, so let's start. One day, because she started on 9 and she's going for 12 regular days. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So she'll finish the classes on 22nd, which is Thursday. Which day is it? Thursday. Option number C is correct option. Moving on to the last question of this worksheet, question number 30, and the last question of this video also. So let's see what it is. The cost of few items is given below. We have a handbag for rupees 366, one shoe, one pair of shoes that is for rupees 420, one xylophone which is of 190, and one bat for rupees 250. If you have rupees 600, then which of the following pair of items you can buy with this money? You have 600 rupees, right? So if you have 600 rupees, what can you buy? So for this question, just jump to the options. So let's see a handbag. Handbag is 366 rupees and pair of shoes is 420. Can you buy them both after adding? No, because it will be naturally more than 600 and you have only 600 as a budget. Okay, so it is not possible. You can add and check also. Okay, when you add them, you will find that the answer is sum is more. Then, can you buy a bat with a handbag? A bat is 250 with a 366 handbag. Okay, if you face a problem in estimating, then you can add also like this. If I add a bat's amount with handbag, so it is like 6, 1, and 6. All right, 616, which is not possible because we have only 600 as a budget, right? Xylophone and handbag, can you buy them both? 190 and 420. Again, you can add and check. It should come less than 600 or 600. 190, if you add, you get a 0, 11. And here we get, when you add 4 plus 1, 610. No, again, we cannot buy this. Let's try the last option, pair of shoes and xylophone. Pair of shoes for 420 and 190. So option C was 400. Option D was 420 and 119, which we added 610. But xylophone, option number C, xylophone and handbag. Okay, let us check this one. So handbag is 366 and xylophone is 190. To avoid any confusion, I'm doing the C1 again. Xylophone for 190 and a handbag for 366. If I add them both, 0 and 6 is 6, whereas 6 and 9 is 15, 5 here and 1 carry over. We get a 5 here. Total 556 is our answer. Is it under 600? Yes. So we can buy this combination. Xylophone with a handbag. The correct answer is option number C. Okay. All right. So we have covered all the questions of chapter 4, time and money. And if you face any problem, please let me know. I will try to provide the link of other two parts of this worksheet, question number 1 to 10 and question number 11 to 20, also along with this video. Take care, keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching.